On your Coros watch, if you want to toggle between 24-hour mode and AM/PM, you will want to press the lower button. And don't get confused if my crown is on the left, it's because I reversed the watch. You can see how to do it with the video just right here. So as I said, you press and hold the lower button just right here, and using the crown, you go up to Set System. So inside System, you will want to go at the very last option, which is More Settings. And from here, you will go to Date and Time. Date and Time, just right here. And you have 24-hour. You see, actually, it's on. If I press here, it will be toggle to off. And if I go back with the lower button, as you can see now, I'm on AM/PM mode. So, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.